Hello everyone, my name is Madeline Wambugete, and this reflection video I would like to share my experience after delivering my demo class on the topic the water circle for the children and intermediate English level. 1. Methodology, approach, and stretching planning. When planning the lesson, I decided to use a communicative approach with contributing methodology. I aim to make learning meaningful and engage track activity participation. I focus on the below reading, social like prediction, skimming, scanning, and I vary I connected then why writing tasks. I also plan to use a visual aids, flashcard, interactive game, and a creative write activity to the A vocabulary exchanges in comprehension. My strategy includes activity for English, pretension, vocabulary, guiding, reading, and storytelling. 2. What I actually implement during the lesson. During the class, I successfully apply most the planning strategy, and I start with broadening activity. They introduce the key vocabulary while flashcard. The student respond very well to the matching game and enjoy mainly the water cycle process. I follow it with the reading of the journey of the water drop and guided the restaurant, skimming and scanning question. Finally, they complete the right task where they create their own water drop story. 3. Change during implementation. There were some minor aids during the class. For example, I initially planned to use a printing workshop, but due to the technical difficulty, I switched to digital version project on the screen. Also, I noticed that some students needed more support during the inference question, so I proved the sentence start and get extra example. 4. Replacing or addition in activity. One activity I adapted was the vocabulary practice. Originally, I had planned a part matching activity while flashcard. However, since we limited space and time, I'm trying to keep group challenge using the whiteboard. This addition keeps the student engaged and helping manage the time more effectively. 5. What I learning about teacher children. From this experience, I learned that children respond very positive to visual and interactive material. They learn better when they are encouraged to be creative. When the content is content to real-world situation, I also notice how important it is to be flexible and ready to adapt to the plan depending on student needs and class dynamic. While I will improve or do different next time. Next time, I would like to include the informative assessment. They maybe a short quiz or exit ticket to check I individually understand. I would also like to guide students more time to share their right history. They were excited to read the aloud. 7. The theoretical framework crashing hypothesis. Crashes theory were present in my lesson. For example, the input hypothesis was I played through to use simple and comprehension language during the reading activity. The effective filter hypothesis was addressed me by grades as super type. Every month using prize on a creativity, I also gave student opportunity for natural communication, which align with the natural order. Hypothesis of a monitor, hypothesis by allowing language use peer support. To conclude, this experience helping me grow as teacher and remedy me of the importance of planning flexibly and connecting language learning while meaningful fun activity. Thank you for watching.